What is going on, guys? With the next growing season approaching and a lot of us now are starting our garden cleanup, one of the most commonly asked questions is, should we throw away the old roots, pull them out and just toss them, or cut them down to the ground level and let the roots decompose? And the answer to that question is yes and no, and let me explain. There are a lot of benefits to cutting your plant down to the base and just letting the roots decompose. The roots will continue to feed the microorganisms in the soil, but not only that though, as the roots decomposes, it creates these natural water channels and oxygen channels, so that way it does overall improve the quality of your soil in the long run. So ideally you do want to leave the roots. Now there are cases of where you want to remove the roots completely, like for example right here, this is my tomato plant. Now tomatoes are very prone to blight and diseases, and because of that I do want to remove the roots from my tomato plants from my soil, so that way I don't take any chances of contaminating my next crop that I do plan to grow in this pot right here. Let me go ahead and pull up the roots from this tomato plant real quick, so that way you can take a look at the root system. This will give you a better idea as to what I mean by, as the roots decomposes, it creates that oxygen and water channels in your soil. Let me put this to the side real quick. Now another reason why you might want to remove the roots completely is that if you do plan on using your container right away to plant something new, and you don't want the old roots to interfere with the development of the new roots, that would be another reason why you want to remove the roots. But otherwise though, leaving the roots is very, very beneficial, and I highly recommend it. Hopefully you guys found this video useful and helping you decide if you want to pull out old roots or not. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment below on what else you'd like to see, and remember guys, take it easy.